So today we've got something special and new for the Type R. You can see the OEM grill is starting to sag. This is a very common FK8 thing actually. There's like a coat hanger hack that you can do, but instead we're just gonna replace it with that new grill. The stock grill has so much blockage of airflow. This is just terrible as far as dealing with cars overheating. And they do change that for the 2020 up, but still the new grill is just gonna be so much more open. So check this out, guys. It's the correctly shaped one. A lot of the reps that are ugly, this piece doesn't go inward, right? It just goes up, and this piece doesn't come forward enough. So this is the correctly shaped one, very much in the same shape as the True J's, with the deep inward line here and the front actually coming up forward. So look at this forged carbon too. I know some people aren't a fan of forged carbon, but dude, I think as a grill piece, this is just gonna look fantastic on the car. I cannot wait. So much better cooling too. This is so much more open. Alrighty, front bumper is off the car. Now we can get started on removing this. It should just be a few screws in the back. Yeah, like these guys here that hold the OE grill on. And now, as understood from other installs, you need to cut this centerpiece for the J's grill to work because it sits deeper in. So this centerpiece of the stock bumper, and you got to do a little bit of trimming on these plastic pieces on the car. So the authentic J's is notorious for really bad fitment. So I figured why not just go with one that's a billion times cheaper and is forged carbon, because I love the forged carbon look. So this is a J's replica. Oh yeah, that's that good stuff. There's this gap between the stock eyebrow and the grill, but as far as where it fits on this, it actually looks really good. And this is all good except for one tab, because it's actually ripped off on my end of the bumper. So that's not the grill, that's just my bumper being ripped on the underside there. All right, so this being a replica grill, the OE screws actually weren't going in because there was no thread. So you would need like bolts and stuff. So instead we're just gonna zip tie this. I think it's gonna be fine. So by the time we finished putting the grill on and the bumper back on the car, it was nighttime. So I figured wait till the morning to show you guys what it looks like in the day, right? So now we can see the forged carbon in the daylight. This is how the grill is looking. Yeah, I think the forged carbon looks awesome in daylight. At least we will indeed get way better airflow through here into here. So it should really help with cooling.